Dear student, good morning. Today we start a chapter chemistry in everyday life. The topic is chemicals in medicines and healthcare. The chemical substances used for treatment of disease and for reducing suffering from pain are called medicines or drugs. The term chemotherapy is used for the science in which suitable chemicals are used for the treatment of diseases. These chemicals have a specific effect for destroying the invading organism without injuring the cells of the body. The first drugs category are antipyretics. The chemical substances which are used to lower the temperature of the body in high fever are called antipyretics. Example: aspirin, acetyl salicylic acid, paracetamol, and phenacetin. These are the structure of that. Student, second category are analgesics. The chemical substances which are used to relieve pain without causing impairment of consciousness, mental confusion, incoordination, or paralysis, or some other disturbances of neurons, nervous system are called analgesics. These are of two types: non-narcotic, non-addictive drugs or narcotic drugs. So first we take the category of non-narcotic. The common non-addictive analgesics are aspirin and paracetamol. Aspirin inhibits the synthesis of compound known as prostaglandin, which stimulates inflammation in the tissue and cause pain. These drugs are effective in relieving skeletal pain due to arthritis. Aspirin is most popular because antipyretic and now also find use in the prevention of heart attacks because it has anti-blood clotting action. Other are naproxen, ibuprofen, diclofenac, sodium or potassium. Next category is narcotic drugs. Narcotics which produce sleep and unconsciousness are also used as analgesics. Example: morphine and its derivatives codeine, heroin, marijuana. These relieve pain and produce sleep. These are known to be habit forming in excessive or poisonous. Thus, these produce is stupor coma, convulsions, and ultimately leading to death. Also referred as opiates because they are obtained from the opium poppy, mainly used for the relief in post-operative pains, cardiac pain, and pains related to childbirth and terminal cancer. These are the display of these narcotic drugs: morphine, codeine, heroin. Student, third types of drugs are tranquilizers. The chemical substances used for the treatment of stress, fatigue, mild and several mental diseases are called tranquilizers. These are neurologically active drugs which affect the message transfer mechanism from nerve to receptor. These are constituents of sleeping pills. These are also called psychotherapeutic drugs. These drugs make the patient passive and help to control their emotional distance or depression. These also help to restore confidence and the patient's work will full capacities. Example: noradrenaline, they are mood changes; iproniazid and phenelgyne, antidepressant; barbituric acid and its derivatives such as veronal, amytal, membutal, seconal and luminal. These derivatives are called barbiturates. These are hypnotic. Example: sleep producing agents. A large number of Other non-hypnotic tranquilizers are chlorodiazepoxide, meprobamate, equinine, important tranquilizer used in depression and hypertension, Valium, diazepam, and these are the structure of tranquilizers. Student, fourth type of drugs are antiseptic and disinfectants. So first we take the category antiseptics, the chemical substance which are used to either kill or prevent the growth of microorganisms are called antiseptic. These are not harmful to living tissues and can be safely applied on wounds, cuts, ulcers, diseased skin surfaces, also used to reduce odors, therefore mixed with deodorants, face powders and breath purifiers, familiar with antiseptic cream like furacin, soframycin, etc. Disinfectants, the chemical substances which are used to kill microorganisms but they cannot be applied on living tissues are called disinfectants. These are major role in water treatment and in public health sanitation. These are commonly applied to inanimate objects such as floors, drainage, instruments, etc. Some substances both nature antiseptic and disinfectant. For example, 0.2 solution of phenol antiseptic but 1% solution of phenol act as disinfectants. The common example are chlorine is used for making water fit for drinking at a concentration of 0.2 0.4 ppm. Dettol, it is an antiseptic, it is a mixture of chloroxylenol and terpineol in a suitable solvent. Chloroxylenol has both antiseptic and disinfectant nature. Bithionol, it is an antiseptic which is generally added to medicated soap to reduce the odor produced by bacterial decomposition of organic matter on the skin. They are the structure of above disinfectant. Iodine, it is a powerful antiseptic. It is used as a tincture of iodine, which is 2 to 3% iodine solution of alcohol water. Low concentration of sulfur dioxide are used for sterilizing and preservation of viscoses. A dilute aqueous solution of boric acid is used as a weak antiseptic for eyes. It also forms a part of antiseptic body talcum powders. Iodoform is also used as antiseptic powder for wounds. Hydrogen peroxide is also used as non-irritating strong antiseptic. Hexachlorophene is mainly used in soap, creams, dusting powder, emulsions. Amyl metacresol is an antiseptic which is used commonly as mouthwash or gargles, infections of the mouth and throat. Thymol, a naturally occurring phenol derivative, is used as powerful disinfectant than phenol. Some organic dyes are also effective antiseptic. These are used for treatment infectious diseases. Example, Genetione violate, methylene blue. Antimalarials, the chemical substances used for the treatment of malaria. Example, alkaloid quinine, chloroquine, paraquinine, primaquine, etc. The sixth category of drugs are antimicrobials. These are the chemicals used to cure infections due to microorganisms. The microorganisms, bacteria, viruses, etc., which can be only seen by microscope, therefore known microbes. Any organism which can cause disease is called pathogens. Our many body secretions either kill the microbes or inhibit their growth. The common example of secretions are lysozyme, a lipid splitting enzyme in tears, nasal secretions, saliva, fatty acids, and lactic acid in sweat, and sebaceous secretions and hydrochloric acid in stomach. The control of microbial diseases can be achieved by following three ways. First, by drug which kill the organism in the body, known as bactericidal. Second, by drug which inhibit or arrest the growth of the organism, known as bacteriostatic. Third, by increasing immunity and resistance to infection of the body, known as immunity. Paul Heinrich, a German bacteriologist, investigated arsenic based structure in order to produce less toxic substance for the treatment of syphilis. He developed a medicine, arsphenamine, known as salvarsan. Salvarsan is toxic to human beings, but its effect on the bacteria. By studying similarity in structure of salvarsan and azodine, in which they linkage arsenic are similar to nitrogen linkage nitrogen in azodine. He observed that tissue are colored by the dyes. He succeeded in preparing the first antibacterial agent known as prontosil, which resemble its structure to salvarsan. Antimicrobial substances may be synthetic chemicals like sulfonamides, para-amino-salicylic acid, or they may be antibiotics like tetracycline, penicillin, chloramphenicol, etc. Student, on display you see the similarity between salvarsan and azodine, only the difference between arsenic and nitrogen bonding. Large number of sulfonamides such as sulfadiazine, sulfadiamidine, sulfadimethoxyzine, sulfadoxine, sulfasomidine, sulfapyridine are being used as antimicrobials. Sulfonamides in combines with trimethoprim are preferred in the treatment of infection of urinary tract. The seventh category of drugs are anti-fertility drugs. These are chemical substances used to control the pregnancy. These are also called oral contraceptive birth control pills. Oral contraceptive belong to the class of natural products known as steroids. These control the female menstrual cycle and ovulation. The birth control pills are essentially a mixture of estrogen and progesterone derivative. Both of these compounds are hormones. Example, norethindrone, synthetic progesterone derivative, which is most widely used as infertility drugs. The estrogen derivative, which is used in combination with progesterone derivative, is ethine novestrol, mifepristone, is a synthetic steroid which blocks the effect of progesterone and is used as morning after pill in many countries. Ormeloxifene, popularly known as Saheli, has also been developed and tested at the Central Drug Research Institute, Lucknow, as an effective anti-fertility drug. These are the structure of anti-fertility drugs. Student, 8th category of drugs are antibiotics. These are the chemical substances which are produced by microorganisms, bacteria, fungi and molds, and can inhibit the growth or even destroy other microorganisms. Antibiotic refers to a substance produced wholly or partially by chemical synthesis, which in low concentration inhibit the growth or destroy microorganisms by intervening in their metabolic process or setting one thief against another. Alexander Fleming, 1929, discovered first successful antibiotic, penicillin. The general formula of penicillin is C9H11O4 SN2R, where R may be different from different members. The antibiotics may be either bactericidal, kill the organism in the body, or bacteriostatic, inhibit the growth of the organism. The complete range of microorganisms attacked by an antibiotic is called as spectrum penicillin. has a narrow spectrum. These can be used for curing sore throat, gonorrhea, rheumatic fever, etc. Student, these are some tabular form, the bactericidal medicine, and these are bacteriostatic. Student, ninth category of drugs are antacid, the chemical substances which neutralize excess acid in the gastric juice and give relief from acid indigestion, acidity, heartburns, and gastric ulcers called antacid. Acid gastrics common alignment associated with digestion. It is caused by excess of hydrochloric acid in the gastric juice. Many widely used antacids are baking soda, magnesium hydroxide, magnesium trisilicate, calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, potassium bicarbonate, aluminium phosphate, dihydroxyaluminium amino acetate. Excessive use of hydrogen carbonate can make the stomach alkaline and trigger the production of even more acid. Metal hydroxide better alternative because of being insoluble. These do not increase the pH above neutrality. The antacids are available in the form of liquid, gels or tablets. Generally, liquid antacids are more effective than tablets because they have great surface area available for the interaction and neutralization of acid. Histamine stimulates the secretion of pepsin and hydrochloric acid to prevent the interaction of histamine with the receptor present in the stomach wall. The drug cimetidine, also called Tigranate, has been designed. This resulted in the release of lesser amount of acid. This drug has been replaced by another drug, ranitidine, Gentab, and is used to even heal peptic ulcers. A new class of drug, omeprazole and inosoprazole, are most effective drugs which prevent the formation of acid in the stomach. Drugs number 10, antihistamines. Histamine is a potent vasodilator, performs various functions. Example, histamine contract the smooth muscles in the bronchi and gut, to which patients of asthma are very sensitive, and relaxes other muscles. Histamine is also responsible for the nasal congestion associated with common cold, cough, allergic response to pollens, etc. Antihistamines are chemical substances which diminish or abolish the main actions of histamine released in the body and hence prevent the allergic reactions. Synthetic drugs such as brompheniramine, dimetab, and terfenadine, Seldon, are used as antihistamine. Antihistamine are also called anti-allergic drugs. Student, these are the structure of above. These are used to treat allergy, skin rashes, conjunctivitis, inflammation of conjunctiva of eye, rhinitis, inflammation of nasal mucosa. The drugs relieve sneezing, nasal discharge, mild asthma, itching of eyes, nose and throat. The common antihistamine drugs are diphenyldramine, Benadryl, phenyramine, malatate, Avil, chlorpheniramine, Zeet, promethazine, tripropylidinine, Actidil, antazoline, antihistamine, and dimethylidine. Forester. These are the chemical name. Student, the last category of drugs are known as anesthetic. These are the chemical substances which produce general or local insensibility to pain and other sensation. Cocaine, Novocaine are local anesthetic, chloroform, diethyl and vinyl ethers. So student, thank you very much.